How to connect Lucid Trading account to Tradovate. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in or connect your Lucid Trading account into Tradovate. Now there's only two specific website that you're going to need to open on your preferred web browser. First is Lucid Trading and as well as Tradovate. Once you pull up Tradovate, do not log in to your existing account yet. Here's what you're gonna need to do. Now, if you go ahead and pull up Lucid Trading, for you to be able to sign up, you need to provide a billing address, which also has a specific prices for their features or subscription. Once you successfully log in into Lucid Trading, you should be able to see view credentials at the top right on Lucid Trading, and they're going to be providing a username and password. So that's going to be the credentials that you will use to log in into Tradovate. So just simply click on login at the top right and then enter the username and password provided by Lucid Trading account. That's it. That's how you connect Lucid Trading account to Tradovate.